Natural remedies for ear infection. In this video, I'm going to show you some natural remedies for ear infection that can help clear up the infection and prevent it from coming back. Hey there, my name is Sasha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to treat an ear infection with some simple natural ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen right now. These remedies are safe for adults and children and can provide relief within hours. So if you're looking for a way to get rid of your ear infection without using antibiotics or other medications, stay tuned. But before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. Ear infections are very common in both adults and children and can be quite painful and uncomfortable. While antibiotics may be prescribed for severe cases of infection, there are a number of natural remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms and even prevent further infection from occurring. Here are some of the best natural remedies for ear infection. Warm compress. Applying a warm compress over the infected ear can help reduce pain by increasing circulation and reducing inflammation. It's also beneficial to massage around the outside of your ear at the same time to further relieve discomfort. Garlic oil. Garlic oil has antiseptic properties which can help fight off bacteria causing an infection. Simply heat some garlic oil in a pan and allow it to cool before instilling it into your affected ear using a dropper. Just make sure it isn't scalding hot. Apple cider vinegar. ACV is one of nature's most potent antibacterial agents. Mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of warm water. Then gently tilt your head to one side and drip 2 drops into your infected ear. Leave it in for 15 minutes before draining out. You should feel relief soon after. Hydrogen peroxide. This is another great remedy that helps fight off bacteria causing an infection. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 1 part water, then use a dropper to instill it into your affected ear. Leave it in for 15 minutes before draining out carefully. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, which make it effective against infections, such as earaches. Simply dilute 4 drops into 4 tablespoons of olive or almond oil, then use a dropper to instill this mixture into your affected ear, leaving it in overnight or at least 8 hours. Make sure you rinse your ear out with warm water afterwards. By incorporating these natural remedies into your health regime, you'll likely find relief from your painful infection soon enough. No need for antibiotics. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers and then watch this video to the left of your screen.